Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the mesh topology and UVs. You want clean quads or tris and no overlapping UV shells. Once done, export as FBX or OBJ with transforms applied so scale and rotation match Toonsquid. Import albedo, normal, and roughness maps with consistent file names. Make sure material slots correspond to mesh groups. This early care prevents shading errors later and speeds iteration, because Toonsquid reads tidy assets predictably, so you won't chase random shading glitches down the line. You now assign the appropriate shader and connect the albedo, normal, metallic, and roughness channels. Choose a toon shader if stylized shading is desired. Then configure render order and enable double-sided on thin geometry to avoid disappearing faces. This matters in game engines and viewport previews. Next, bind your skeleton or apply skin weights inside Toonsquid's rigging tools and test a few poses to validate deformation. These middle steps ensure the mesh looks right in motion and under your chosen lighting conditions. You finish by baking any required lighting or ambient occlusion and generating optimized LODs plus a simplified collision mesh for runtime. Once done, export the final asset bundle or prefab, making sure materials remain linked rather than duplicated. If something goes wrong, inspect normals for flips, look for UV overlaps, confirm texture file paths, and verify shader assignments. These 4 checks fix most problems. If errors persist, revert to the previous clean export and re-import step by step to isolate the exact failure point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.